Hello and welcome to the show. These are my baby guppies. There's two batches here. They were born on June 24th. Today is June 30th. So they're now about five and a half days old. 5.5 days old now. And I'm going to feed them some flake food. You see the flake food I have in this little shot glass measuring cup. I have crushed it down with my fingers to make it really fine. I'm going to start with just a little bit here at first. I'm going to add a little more, and then I'm going to add a whole bunch more. So there'll be a couple intervals of me just dumping it in. Towards the end, I actually dump a little more than I wanted, but that's okay. You can see that the excess just floats right out of the net because it is so fine. These guppies love it up. I've got them in this net to keep them separated from their parents because their parents will eat them. However, unfortunately, I lost one of the mothers. It's a sad thing, but bringing them home from the pet store, transferring them into a new tank, and then giving birth, it's a stressful ordeal. It happens sometimes. A lot of these guppies are raised in brackish water, which means it has salt in it, high mineral contents, and then you bring them home, put them in your aquarium. They end up experiencing some organ failures and whatnot, and it just is what it is. It's part of fish keeping. You buy fish at a pet store. Even if you go catch them wild caught, you bring them home. The success rate is not always 100%. Let's just put it that way. I have purchased 14 other fish from this pet store, Pet Supplies Plus, and every single one of them has survived so far. So 14 out of 15 survival rate, I'm pretty happy with, especially since 12 of those were actually feeder fish. I haven't even lost a single feeder fish. And a lot of times, feeder fish are, just garbage fish. They don't really last that long in the first place, but they've all survived. So I'm just going to let this roll out. We're going to watch these fish eat for a couple minutes. If you like what you see here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for viewing. I do hope you enjoy the show.